probably said this before. First of all, I was at a large. This is like a small. It says large on it. Let me do this actually. Not that one. It's a bit awkward. Chair's like, what are you doing to me? I was hoping to be fresher because I had to wait a long time. Enter refresh mode. Literally says that on the thing. Oh, come on. Yesterday I took a night off from Twitch. It was the first time since Christmas Eve. Weird story how I found it. Like, it's like a crossword puzzle, like where you circle words from random letters. It was like the first three are what's gonna happen this year. Stupid Facebook crap. One of mine was 2. I was like, what does 2 mean? So I randomly searched it. Like, the first result was this movie from like a month ago called 2. That movie messed up. If you really want to watch it, and don't want spoilers, click off. I mean, go forward like a minute. So I'm just going to explain the full story. It's messed up. It's one of those like Saw or whatever. You just wake up in a room, don't have to figure out what's going on. So these two, a guy and a girl, find out they're sewed together. At their stomach. Not really story for a while. Just they're trying to figure out how to do basic things. Turns out it was her husband who like went insane because he thought she was cheating. Eventually they figure out that like making out makes him mad. He got so mad he came in the room and they knocked him out. Turns out he was their father. That was a twist. But also, it wasn't really him. Someone who looked like him, but got completely obsessed with his story. So long story short, everyone died. Oh, and they were born as conjoined twins and split. Oh, I should have said no mayo. I haven't had this in so long. So I was specifically craving McChicken with cheese. How do I make this not drip? I'm only gonna have like one bite now. Just want to try it. This, in case you don't know. Oh God, already. Essentially, they're old nuggets, which is, as Wolf Pitt would call it, foreign meat slurry. I forgot what this had. I would have done no lettuce too. Lettuce and mayo are gross. That's not very good. It's just, that's what I wanted. I'm half done with that already. Jeez. I need a haircut. I need to do all this stuff. I just keep not feeling like it. A little crazy in the toppings here. All right. I don't know if I want to even try the pickle. They're like especially soggy here. I can't do it. Whoa. So, not only this, but he was got really into conjoining animals. And he had like a lab outside. It was crazy. There was a third pickle. Most messed up movie I've ever seen. You done? I'm going to speak about this in really broad terms. Like, you do things like this. It's like, oh, I'm not talking about this, but this too. Oh, don't do that. That'll enjoy your lifespan. Well, what's the point? What's better? A life where you do what you want and you enjoy it? A short life? Or a long life where you, like, have to, like, constantly pick and choose things that you can and can't do? And there's things you really want to do and you just can't ever. Like, what's the point of being alive? I'm having these existential things lately. It's horrible. Like, I get inside my head, I can feel my heartbeat. I'm like, I don't like to think about this stuff. Other people are so casual about it. I don't understand. Have they already gone through this, or did they not? You know, yeah, by the way, a guy across the street died. Okay, bye. Like, what? That came out of nowhere. People think I'm sick because I'm like blowing my nose constantly and coughing while I eat. Like, no, that's normal. It just loosens everything up. I probably could have gotten just like triple cheeseburger instead, be fine, but specifically want this flavor. This tastes so good right now. I'm struggling because I drink too much soda. It's 0 calories, but it still takes up space. Could be a short one. Could be a short one that ends early. I am hitting a wall bad. All I had was that and small amount of fries. It's crazy. Ow! She hate when you have to burp and like can't. Anyone still watching this? If so, what's wrong with you? Where did you go so wrong to end up here? I'm thinking of quitting. Not because like I don't like doing it or like I'm discouraged that I have 0 views, but I miss what I used to do. Like, I used to just listen to music and like space out. It's good to have time to think. Well, guess this accomplishes almost the same thing. It's thinking out loud, but thinking is abstract. Words are not. Ah. That was close. In fact, it might have done it. It's like the very outer layer of the onion that's like inedible. That's cool. I just noticed. Oh, right there. That's the broken one too. I wonder if they fixed it. Like it's like super rusted. Maybe I'll do it on and off. You don't need to see McDonald's again. I already did it like 3 times. It doesn't stop. Ugh. Where does it all come from? To burp again. See, this is why I don't gain weight. I barely eat anything. Ugh. Okay, so what was I gonna say? Oh, stop. Most people gained weight during this because they would just like sit at home and eat. Wow. It's like borderline hiccups. I didn't, because when I'm at home, I just don't think of it. Like I'm busy or whatever. Not lately. I'm just this mega break kind of broke me. Pun. Like I didn't have to do anything, so I didn't. I literally just laid in bed, other than sleep and being on Twitch and eating. I'd be like anorexic by now if I didn't go out to eat. It's a hassle. You gotta stop what you're doing, and then this is all you can do actively. So then there's passive stuff like just talking to a camera or music or video, but that's about it. You can't do anything. That's why I don't like it. I wish I could eat only for the taste and enjoyment and not be forced to. But hey, maybe in a few years when we can upload our brain I'd probably do it. Bodies suck. But, I do wonder. And, like, kudos to the good place for talking about this. Like, if you lived forever, there will be a point where you have done everything that exists. And then what? It'd be so boring. Oh, they really salted this. Oh my goodness. I'm ending soonish because I went like this. For some reason I thought it was full. Nice and heavy, but it's only like a third full. Oh, I haven't even posted that Taco Bell yet. Or did I film one? Yeah, I did, because I sat by the trash, because there was light. Anyway. So I went to the leftovers for lunch. I'm like, this is rock hard. No. I could microwave it. But no, you can't, because there's vegetables in there. So, like, that new chicken thing, I just picked out all the chicken. There were like 10 huge chunks. Like, that's a lot for $2. I think I'm gonna try it again and eat it right when I get it. Again. Chicken's supposedly so expensive right now. How are they even offering that for $2? I don't think it's as bad as it wants you to believe. They want people to stay scared. Blindly listen to whatever they say. But more and more people are realizing, hey, these things you're doing don't make any sense. Didn't think it would take this long, but at least it finally is. Oh, I'm gonna be doing the state vote for the first time, because I think it'll actually be closer than normal. Because ours sucks. Why are you beeping? I was talking about the governor. I don't really know anyone else. I was indifferent until they put in a thing that's like against national guidance, and it's completely pointless and unnecessary. It's like White Castle. Sorry, it's like kind of gross to show chewed food. Ah! God, why am I burping so much? I know soda, but like, this is abnormal. I wasn't looking at the screen. It looks like something was flickering. Ghosts? I really need to cook my hair. If I use gel and crap, it would look okay, but I don't like it. And it just feels like you have glue on your head. Which basically you do. That onion just wasn't hitting right. I don't know why. Okay, now I'm hot. Fun fact, something I learned only recently. Here. If you're ever cold, just cough a lot and hard. It works. Like that. Ow. Just demonstrating, I'm not actually dying. Oh. Ugh. Glad I don't have to eat in public much anymore. This was already kind of starting. Early 2020. It's weird. This whole time has just felt like one continuous 2020. Like, I refuse to believe. That it's 3 years. Well, almost 2. I hope it's not 3. A lot of it is people are just sick of it. Like, they're sick of being forced to do this stuff. And they want to go back to their normal lives. I basically barely change anything. Like, the only difference is I work from home. I don't miss it yet. I just want the option. Like, I would go sometimes. Like, days like today, I'm just sick of being home. I didn't even leave yesterday. Like, not even to the mailbox. looks like one bite, but I'm taking such tiny bites. I can't. I'm hitting the wall. Last time I didn't finish. This is so stupid. If you're ever watching someone do like a food challenge and you're like screaming at the screen right now, like, this isn't a food challenge, but you know, like, it's just a tiny bite, just do it. Well, it's a little hard when you're so full you feel like you're gonna puke if you do it. When I worked there, I was just looking at this carnage. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Can't see anything. When I worked there, I was so annoyed when people asked us to omit things. Like, just take it off. Scrape it off. It's a lot easier to just do the same ingredients every time than to have to like stop and think about it. It's adding, I get. I'd like do the recipe, then add this. That was fine. But omitting was the hard part. Fast food is hard, dude. People don't realize that they just have this stereotype that they're all lazy and incompetent and do nothing. Why is it taking so long? You're just making a burger. That's not how it works. Three or four tissues. And it'll keep going on for the next 3 hours. It is so annoying. I'm gonna try this again. Is it really that bad? Yeah, and I'm gonna take my own advice as well. Oh, now the lettuce is stuck in the cheese. Ugh. So this will be impossible. In this specific case, if I had remembered that, like, they had lettuce in this. Why would you put the lettuce directly in the cheese? That's so stupid. Oh, wait, is it? I can't tell. Is that just mayo? There's so much mayo, I can't even tell if there's cheese. So, like, okay, there's edge cases. Where it's okay, but no pickles, just like take it off. It's just this slimy iceberg lettuce. That's gonna set me off for sure. Find any with the cheese? Looks like that definitely has cheese. Yeah, just one more look how sloppy and disgusting this is. That is nothing like what I expected. In my head, that sounded so good. Maybe without the mayo and lettuce. Put mac sauce on it. Or just bring Chick-fil-A sauce alone. In case you don't know, you can just go to any supermarket and buy the sauce. I'm like, oh man, I'm gonna put this on everything. Ice cream, Chick-fil-A sauce. Ugh. But then I don't think of it. I kind of wish I had something else now, but I'm not getting more stuff. Make it stop. It's like, what is it? Like allergic to salt? Because it's like almost everything does this. Wow, that was way up. It's close enough. Shit, it covered my eyes. That's all I have to say about that. What he actually said. Does anyone know? Oh yeah, the guy on the stage knows. Like the organizer, hippie dude or whatever. He's like, this is beautiful. I like movies like that. Like it's serious, but there's comedic moments. I wouldn't call it comedy drama. But it's also not just drama. I don't know. 40 minutes. I am out. I'll see you. I don't know when. probably tomorrow. Although tomorrow will be several days ago, probably, because I'm not good about uploading these. But anyway, bye.